green is directly linked to the quality of our lives. Industrial pollution is a major contributor to environmental harm, with factories releasing toxic gases that degrade air quality and waste valuable energy. Why continue to let this potential go untapped? Given the current scenario of air pollution and energy loss, it's about time we harness this overlooked potential for a cleaner, more sustainable future.
We start with the first step, empathize. We took a close look at the situation from the perspective of both the factories and the communities around them. Factories are essential for economic growth, yet they inadvertently contribute to air pollution, affecting the health and well-being of nearby residents. Understanding this dilemma, we set out to find a solution that could benefit the environment and the industry.
Next is define. Today, we're confronting a major environmental challenge, pollution, for both factories and industries. These operations release about 25 tons of toxic chemical waste each day, with 20% of this contributing to air pollution. The energy from these emissions is not being utilized efficiently and is essentially being wasted. Additionally, significant amount of energy is spent for the purification of this air. But what if you could turn this problem on its head? Now, imagine a system that not only purifies air, but also generates energy from these emissions. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. Let's take you through the process of how we turn this into reality using the design thinking process.
AirCura addresses three major environmental challenges: air pollution, wasted energy, and incompetent filtration systems. Industries and factories emit toxic wastes and gases into the atmosphere without realizing the potential energy that we can actually harness. Our project aims to install wind turbines into the exhaust pipe of these factories. By pressurizing the air, we increase the energy output on these turbines. The power generated will be used to power filtration systems to purify the toxic air. This leads to a self-sustaining system that not only reduces pollution but also leads to a more sustainable process for energy reutilization.
The energy produced in this process isn't just a bonus, it's vital. We use this to fuel a purification system with segregated nebulizers and other gases, ensuring their safe for release. The implementation of our project will require initial investment, as we will be replacing the existing purification plant. However, in the long run, this proves to be cost-effective, saving energy as well as purifying the air effectively. Our solution not just addresses an environmental concern, but also ensures sustainability for future operations.
So what we have developed is a solution that tackles pollution head-on by incorporating the design thinking process to purify air and generate energy. It is a system that utilizes the polluted air and transforms it into a potential energy source. Let's rethink on how we view factory emissions, transforming them from pollutants into energy sources. Thank you for listening, and let's work towards a future where every factory chimney is a part of the solution.